Nowadays, our electronic devices are a fundamental factor in the healthcare and technology field, making our work a little easier. We are confident that at some point you have had or will have problem with your medical and computer device. That's why ElectroBio is the team of professionals that have focused on your needs, offering maintenance and repair for your technological equipment. Our mission is to provide quality service, experience, and warranty to our clients, satisfying their technological needs in the area of support for medical and computer equipment, offering highly specialized service in hardware, software, repair, maintenance, part replacement, electronics repair, operation for medical equipment, technical assistance, and training for healthcare and computer personnel. Book your appointment with us from Monday to Saturday from 8:30 to 5 p.m. We are located at 187 Landscapes, Queenstown, or visit our website at www.electrobiocompany.com.